CIMCO MDM7 is a paperless complete management system for manufacturing data that helps you manage, control, and securely store all data, CAD and CAM files, and NC codes. Allows you to handle user permissions, backup, and revisions of all production documents. New customers are easily added, along with documents, drawings, and part names. MDM has customizable track of naming conventions. MDM supports interface for most CAM products, such as handling of multiple instances, preview, automatic import of NC code, automatic import of tool information. An integrated image editor provides editing options for added images. CIMCO MDM7 generates tool lists, operations lists, setup sheets, and more. Work on data in different programs, and MDM automatically imports information on files. MDM provides an easy and manageable overview and version control on all files. Direct DNC support for network machines and serial machines with CIMCO DNC Max facilitates sending and receiving files to and from CNC machines and remote request. When importing changes, Import Queue allows you to review compared versions with Jump to Changes function and accept or decline changes. With advanced status handling capabilities, it is possible to lock user modifying permissions and configure folders to certain files and part folders. User report functions on database usage, DNC transactions, usage reports, and more are available from user action logs. Thus, MDM is highly customizable and controllable in structure. Barcode reader features facilitate your product management on the shop floor and for DNC requests. MDM is accessible from multiple devices and web clients, allowing easier adding of photos along with several logistic advantages. MDM provides a secure database with accessible functions and compact overviews, facilitating internal data transfer from management to shop floor in seconds. MDM provides a more efficient and easy-to-implement workflow, no matter the size of your production. CIMCO MDM7, the professional management tool for organizing and making production documents available.